Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're over here at a mushroom shop. Brian's over there. We just came from the gym. In the ramp? Sí. Sí, está bien bajito. So like I was saying guys, I'm gonna be getting a custom single exit done on the S. I'm tired of the HKS catback. It's a little bit too quiet for me. And then also since that shit's heavy, the rubber hangers, the grommets always fucking break off. So that shit right now is hella loose. No grommets. That shit fucking rattled and I'm over it. Something new, huh, Chan? Z soon, custom exhaust too? Huh. But this one, it sounds nice and all, but I want it to be a little bit louder. So yeah, it'll be just a single exit to the left side with the cat, resonator relief. It sounds alright. Not too loud and not too quiet, you know? Decent. Yeah, they're getting down right now. I'm about to take off that one. Over here at Babes. So that's the HKS catback. Two big ass mufflers and I think that's like a silencer or something like that. Alright guys, so that's how it's looking. Alright guys, so the exhaust is done. Show you guys. We're over here by downtown. Cool ass area to take some pics. But yeah, that's how it looks. It looks alright. Maybe I should have done a little bit less taking out. But I think later on I'm gonna redo it with two pipes sticking out. Just two right there. But this is at idle. It's kind of loud. I thought it was gonna be a little bit less quiet, but it's actually pretty loud. Give it like at 3K. This is still loud, bro. And then for bro, it's too loud, huh? I didn't think it was gonna be this loud, bro. I'm gonna have to add like a resonator maybe or something. What do you think? Nah, it's not. It's not a piggy. It's not a piggy. Where is it? Is it? Nah. Brian hella revving it here in downtown. All the cops. Nah, yeah, the bucket looking decent though. I don't know. I kind of like it, but it's a little bit too loud. What do you guys think? Yeah, we're gonna get going. I think they're about to kick us out from here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. You guys want to see or hear how annoying this shit is under a tunnel? Second gear. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish off the video right here with some driving clips. Brian's driving the S right now. This shit's loud. We got Brian Brian whipping the S. I don't like that drone on high RPMs. That's the only thing I don't like. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share. What do you gotta say, Brian? Let me know what you guys think.
Stay tuned for more videos.
Yes sir. Yes sir ski. Alright guys, see you guys next time.